How to remove Gmail account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove Gmail account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove Gmail account from other devices, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then open the Gmail app here. Once you open the Gmail app, tap the profile icon from the top right, then go to the option that says manage your Google account. Once you go to manage your Google account, just go to the option that says security. And once you go to security, scroll down here, you'll find the option that says your devices. So you can tap on manage your devices option here. And once done, select the devices that you don't recognize. These are the devices that are currently logged in, by the way. Select them and then tap the sign out option, and your Google account, which in this case is also your Gmail account, will get successfully removed from other devices. This way you can remove Gmail account from other devices. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.